Top 5 Best USB-C Adapter. Number 5. Type-C to 3.5mm Audio Adapter Cable USB-C to 3.5mm. Let's start with this simple but super useful gadget, the Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. If your phone doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, and let's be honest, most new phones don't, this little adapter is a lifesaver. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 4. Baseus USB to Type-C OTG Adapter USB-C. Coming up next is the Baseus USB to Type-C OTG Adapter. OTG stands for on the go, and trust me, this thing is so handy. With this tiny adapter, you can turn your phone or tablets. Baseus makes quality accessories, and this one is no different. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. Bathroom Heating Instant Constant Temperature. Coming in at number 3 is another solid instant constant temperature heater for bathrooms. It's reliable, safe, and designed to fit small spaces. If you live in an apartment or have a small bathroom and never run out of hot water again, check latest price, visit the description link. Number 2. Brewelna Electric Water Heater Hot Water. Next is the Brewelna Electric Water Heater. This one stands out because it's compact but delivers high-flow hot water on demand. It's great for quick showers, dishwashing, or even small salon or shop use. Plus, it's energy efficient. You only heat what you need when you need it and never run out of hot water again. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. Fudere Electric Water Heater Kitchen Faucet Connector. Finally, our number 1 pick, the Fudere Electric Water Heater. This clever gadget connects directly to your kitchen faucet. So if you're tired of washing dishes in freezing water, this little device is a lifesaver. It's affordable, simple to install, and gives you warm water in seconds. A small change that makes daily chores way more comfortable. Check latest price. Visit the description link.